Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Fiat 500X Trekking in Nero Cinema. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, lane departure warning plus, blind spot and crosspath detection, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, navigation, Beats premium audio system, dual pane power sunroof, split folding rear seats, 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number D7067.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.